In this video, I will show how to fix Instagram Reels filter not working problem. Let's see how to fix this problem following all steps. Do not skip. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, search or find out Instagram app on phone. Tap on Instagram, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Open on Google Play Store, search Instagram app, update Instagram app. Now go to Instagram app, tap on plus icon, tap on Reels. Now tap on filter option. Now all filter working on Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.